Are you ready to find out what's in store for the residents of Albert Square? Um, and then here's a sneak peek at what's happening on EastEnders from 4th to 7th of November 2024. Have you ever found yourself in a love triangle? Well, Alfie is right in the middle of one with Kat and Stacy. His heart is set on Kat, but will it end well? Only time will tell. Meanwhile, Bianca Jackson, played by Patsy Palmer, may find herself in a dangerous situation. She has another encounter with the killer, Reiss Colwell, during Bonfire Night on the front. Will she be able to handle the situation? Kat Mitchell and Alfie Moon, Shane Ritchie, share a passionate kiss, sparking hope for their relationship. But will they get back together? Keep watching to find out. And Harry Mitchell, Elijah Holloway, delivers a stern warning to Jack Branning, Scott Maslin, while Teddy Mitchell, Roland Manukian, tries to make an impression on his younger son, Barney Mitchell. And that set, Richmond Bridgman contains. In other news, Bianca confronts Reiss Colwell at the cafe with Martin Fowler, James by her side, demanding some answers. Reiss lies. But Bianca gets fresh hope when Teddy hands her another copy of the CCTV footage. And they said, like, I like the CCTV as the Bonfire Night approaches the actual fireworks. Ignite at number 25, marking the climactic confrontation between Bianca and Reiss. And so the outcome holds significant implications for both individuals. Will Bianca reveal that Reiss committed murder, or could she unknowingly become his next target instead? With so much drama and excitement, you won't want to miss a single episode. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And remember, when it comes to love triangles, they never end well. But as they say, the heart wants what it wants. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that the Queen Victoria pub, where many of the EastEnders characters hang out, is named after Queen Victoria, who ruled England for 63 years? It's one of the longest reigning monarchs in English history. And speaking of history, did you know that the first ever episode of EastEnders aired in 1985? That's over 35 years ago. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting EastEnders spoilers.